Hello, my dear students. I am Malik Farouk, lecturer zoology Boys Higher Secondary गेट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 12th के लिए वो है, हमने ऑलरेडी इसमें गमीटोजेनेसिस हम पढ़ रहे थे। तो गमीटोजेनेसिस जो प्रोसेस है, गमीटोजेनेसिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ हैप्लॉइड गमीट्स दैट इज sperm and ova from the diploid primary germ cell called gametogonia, which contains spermatogonia and oogonia, present in the primary sex organs called gonads, testes in male and ovaries in female respectively. Gametogenesis जो है ये दो हिस्सों में होती है कंप्लीट। एक हो गया सुपरमेटोजेनेसिस एंड सेकंड इज oogenesis। कल हमने सुपरमेटोजेनेसिस के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ा था। सुपरमेटोजेनेसिस हो गया, it is the process of formation of haploid spermatozoa. Process of formation of haploid spermatozoa, that is sperms from the diploid spermatogonia inside testes of the male. Spermatogenesis begins in the human males during puberty at the age of 13 to 14 years and continues uninterrupted throughout the life of adult. It declines in later life. Inside the testes, the site of spermatogenesis are seminiferous tubules, the epithelium lining. The seminiferous tubules is called germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium has two types of cells, primary germ cells and indifferent or supporting cells. The latter gives rise to the large sized elongated pyramidal or columnar polygonal cells called serratorial cells. अब जो कि सुपरमेटोजेनेसिस है ये तीन हिस्सों में कंप्लीट हो जाता है। नंबर फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज, ग्रोथ फेज एंड नंबर थर्ड मैचुरेशन फेज। फिर इसका चौथा फेज भी आता है डिफरेंशिएशन फेज और सुपरमियोजेनेसिस, वो भी हम इसके साथ पढ़ेंगे। कल हमने थोड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेटिव फेज में कुछ आपको बताया था, लेकिन आज हम इसको दोबारा रिपीट करेंगे। मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज में क्या होता है? It involves a rapid mitotic division of diploid primary or primordial germ cells called gonocytes. यहाँ primary germ cells जो होते हैं, they are cuboidal in nature. They divide meiotically to form small spermatogonial cells of about 12 μm in diameter. At the time of sexual maturity, the spermogonial cells divide many times by mitosis to form large number of spermatogonia. Spermatogonia are of two types, A and B. A spermatogonia functions as stem cell or mother spermatogonia, which gives rise to the second type of spermatogonia whenever required. And type B spermatogonia are progenitor cells, which function as the precursor or spermatozoa. ये हो गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज। इसके बाद ग्रोथ फेज है। ग्रोथ फेज में इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड spermatocytogenesis. Spermatocytogenesis is the phenomena of formation of primary spermatocytes from the B-type spermatogonia. The later grow in size, accumulate nutrients and meiotic factors to form early double-sized cells of primary spermatocytes. इसके बाद आता है इसका ग्रोथ फेज भी आ गया। मैचुरेशन फेज, मैचुरेशन फेज इसमें और इसको हम बोलते हैं फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड्स। प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स आर लार्ज डिप्लॉइड सेल्स हैविंग 44 प्लस XY chromosomes, 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. Secondary spermatocytes, however, possess replicated chromosomes having undergone crossing over in their chromatids. Secondary spermatocytes divides by meiosis second to produce haploid spermatocytes with one number chromosome, with one N chromosome and one N DNA. As meiosis is double division, one primary spermatocyte or B type spermatocyte gives rise to the four spermatids. Then comes differentiation or spermiogenesis, जहाँ पर sperm बन जाता है. It is the conversion of spermatocyd into spermatozoon. For this, spermatocyd must remain in contact with the serratorial cells, which under influence of FSH of anterior pituitary produces required spermiogenetic factors. The different changes which occur during the spermiogenesis are formation of acrosome by Golgi apparatus. The later then degenerates Number B, elongation and condensation of nucleus. Number C, separation of centrioles. Number D, formation of axial filament from the distal centriole. Number E, development of mitochondrial spiral around upper part of the axial filament. And number F, differentiation of a limiting membrane and formation of flagellum. This produces a spermatozoon. The unused components of spermatozoon gets degenerated. The whole complex of changes which convert a spermatogonium into mature spermatozoa is known as spermatogenesis. It requires about course of days around about 64. The number of sperm produced by an adult male per day can be 10 raised power 12 to 10 raised power 30. After their maturation, spermatozoa detach from the serotonin cells. This process is called supermination. The released sperms are stored in epididymis and first portion of vasa deferens for 1 month. Here they gain motility. Nutrition is provided by the epithelium of epididymis. Then comes one more point, hormonal control of spermatogenesis. इसके बाद हम कल oogenesis पढ़ेंगे. Thank you for watching on YouTube.